Let's count in base 8. First, recall what digits are used in the base 8 counting system. We have digits 0 to 7. So we're using these digits to form a counting system. Let's start from 0, the smallest. So we have 0, base 8. Okay. 1, base 8. We have 2, base 8. We have 3, base 8. We have 4, base 8. We have 5, base 8. We have 6, base 8. We have 7, base 8. We've exhausted all the digits. Now move on to 2-digit numbers in base 8. How do we start? We pick the next highest after 0, which is 1. Then combine it with all those digits all over again. So we have 1, 0, base 8. Okay. We have 1, 1, base 8. We have 1, 2, base 8. We have 1, 3, base 8. 1, 4, base 8. 1, 5, base 8. 1, 6, base 8. 1, 7, base 8. Now let's move on to the next 2-digit numbers we can have after ones. What's the highest number after 1? 2. So we have 2, 0, base 8. Okay. 2, 1, base 8. And it keeps going like that till 7, 7, base 8 for the 2-digit numbers in the base 8 counting system. Now, after the highest 2-digit number in the base 8 counting system, move on to 3-digit numbers. And how do we start the 3-digit numbers? The same procedure. What's the highest number after 0? 1. Then you have 0, 0 for your 3-digit numbers in base 8. Then move on to 1, 0, 1 in base 8. Then this goes on 1, 0, 7 base 8. Now what happens here? We look at the second digit that we have here and we start making use of this digit again, all over again, to combine to give us 3-digit numbers. So we have 1, okay? We have 1. Then for this third place, we can have all the digits all over again. So we have 0, base 8. Then we can have 1, 1, 1, base 8. And we keep moving, we keep counting like that till 4-digit numbers. We combine these digits in 4 different places together to give us a number. Then we keep on counting till 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, and forever. Thank you.